Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today I'm behind the wheel of an Audi, but not just any old Audi, it's the RS5. God, these are great cars. Come along for the ride, let me show you all about it. Dressed in Nardo green, which is actually as grey as the sky today, with a hint of blue. We've got LED matrix headlights, which will basically adjust to day, night, and also block out any other cars on the way through. We've got these huge air intakes, heaps of carbon fibre, and a flat Audi grille, lovely up the front. Some of this beautiful line through the bonnet, and strong belt lines all the way down. 20-inch feet, and they are just so grippy. It's amazing. So boot lid spoiler, rear diffusers. Look at these exhaust pipes, lovely. And so much room for any of your adventure sports or whatever else you want to go on. I can actually jump in there myself. That's how much room there is. So, easy opening bonnet.
Hey Daddy, isn't that a 2.9 litre V6?
It sure is, and it's 331 kilowatts and 600 newton meters. Good gosh! It's actually limited to 250 kilometers per hour, but will actually go up to 280. Oh, I'm nervous already. So let's see how this 0 to 100 thing does. History, we have a 3.3 seconds. Just there. So easy to go into license losing territory in this car. So easy. 100 kilometers per hour comes in at 3.9 seconds, or as we've just shown, 3.3. It's just a rocket ship. But with Quattro all-wheel drive, it certainly feels solid on the corners too. Ah, just lovely. Rolls through. Seriously, this car is so sporty and so fast. The 0 to 100 of a sub 4 seconds is achievable. The handling is outstanding. The Quattro has always been a good full all-wheel drive system, but wow, it grips. Wow, it grips. Comfort-wise, yeah, I mean the Nappa leather hugs you from a seating point of view. It's got actually honeycombed pattern to it, which just really breaks it up. There's carbon fiber interior. There's a 12-point-something inch sized instrument cluster that's basically a virtual cockpit, so you can adjust it into whatever you want, and it's just so digital and so smart, and also so much fun. Love that exhaust note. It's such a good, fun car to drive. Being the sportsback, there's so much room as well for you to put your getaway stuff, your fun, your weekend adventure gear in it. Who needs an SUV? Oh, you need this. Oh, you need this. So there you have it, Audi's new RS5 Sportback. It's just a sporty, fast, elegant, but aggressive drive. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. There's going to be so much more this year. Appreciate the watching, and please comment. See you next time.